STPIच्या बरोबर जो MOU साइन केलो पळय न्ही, they are providing the infrastructure from their own fund to us in the state. So definitely it will help for the new startup. They'll provide the whatever the space required for the new startups. They'll give the space. Actually, in the incubation center earlier, they have helped us to start with the incubation center in the state. STPI only help us to start with the.
They will look after facilitating.
Of course, right. Whole infrastructure they'll build for us.
निविदा कितें लॉन्च केला तेजे ट्रान्सपरन्सी म्हटल्यार तुमी बरी आसतली. जस्ट एलॅबरेट ऑन दॅट.
अरे कशें आसा तर आतापर्यंत ई टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस इट इज फ्रॉम द डिफरंट डिपार्टमेंट. नाव इट वील कम मॅक्झिमम डिपार्टमेंट ही ई निविदा हाच्या अंडर म्हणजे जे IT कडेन धाडटात ते एका ई टेंडरिंग प्रोसेसाच्या अंडर करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसा. सो दॅट ई निविदा आहा पळय न्ही ताच्या अंडर जे आसा पळय सगळे ई टेंडरिंग प्रोसेस हे तेंच्या अंडर हाडले वयतले.
And it's very important initiative where STPI will develop an IT park. And this center will work as a resource center, a support center for the startup entrepreneurs and small and medium entrepreneurs in the field of IT and electronics, and will also act as a facilitation center for the software exporters in this region.
How much money STPI investing and where the land has been allotted?
The land has been allotted in Donapaula. We will invest, as I declared, about close to 40 crore rupees over a period of time to not only create infrastructure but also to run the centers of excellence, incubators, data centers and all other facilities